Hi guys, good morning. Today's Monday. I think it's like I don't even think it's morning. I think it's almost afternoon. Yeah, okay, still morning. It's 10:46 right now. I'm about to head out to the bank cause Zenith has been kicking my ass for the longest. Like Zenith Bank has been kicking my ass for the longest. I don't use that account. Like I barely ever use my Zenith. The only thing I only use my Zenith for like just to keep things like I want to call it a savings account, but I bet I don't use it to save anymore because like they've been acting up. So like I barely use it, and whenever I use it, they always remind me why I never use them yet. So you guys, I'm actually heading to the bank right now to actually go and get my money from them. Like the remaining money that I set up is I want to go and carry it because I've been trying to use that account to make a transfer for a while, but they're stressing me. So I just want to go and collect the money that's there and use it for what I want to do, and then just like say bye bye to them at least for a while. You guys get. But anyways, yes, I might also like branch and get a few things on my way. Yeah, I mean I got back from school yesterday, and I'm already going out today. This is not the regular fikaya. I'm confused with what type of fikaya this is, but I think it's a good thing. At least I'm having something to vlog because you guys know I rarely go out. I barely ever go out, but today we're going out. But anyways, yeah, that's it. My nails still look cute. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, these are the nails I did for my convocation. If you haven't seen my convocation prep or convocation vlog, go and watch that. But like the nails still look cute. The color is starting to fade a bit, but I mean it says a lot because it's like pressed ones, but I made it look like acrylics. But anyways, you guys know the gist. I'm going to take them out soon. What else? Yeah, that's basically it. I'm loving these earrings. I've been loving it for a while now. I think now that I know that chunky earrings look good on me, I'm going to be buying more of chunky earrings. I'm actually going to be getting more of this. But yeah, that's basically it. I did the whole fringe thing again because I mean, why not? Well, yeah, let me show you guys the outfit of the day and the bag I plan on wearing with this. So I'm coming. So this is literally what I have on. Nothing too much. I just have like this regular vintage let's say vintage skirt. I have this regular vintage shirt on. I have a black bodycon dress, and then I'm going with this brown YSL bag. If you know, you know. This bag is like an OG on my channel. But yeah, the dress is quite mini, quite short, but yeah, I think this is where it's reaching. You guys can see this is where it's reaching. So yeah, it's a short thing, but yeah, I wanted to wear like a proper actual black kimono, but my brother said it was giving too much for just bank runs and supermarkets, that I should tone it down with like a vintage shirt, and I think he was right. So yeah, I'm going to be pairing this outfit with black slippers, and yeah, obviously I have shades on. I have this bracelet that I told you my mom gave me for my convocation. It's from her store, by the way. My sister gave me necklace, my mom gave me necklace, earrings I bought for convocation and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's like everything that I wanted to say to you guys. I'm heading out right now. I'm supposed to have gone out since morning, and it's almost 11 right now. I just hope they don't make me queue unnecessarily. But you guys, the nails still look cute. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'll see you guys when I'm back. I've been talking for like 5 hours now or something like that. Bye guys. So hi guys, obviously Fikaya back again, but this is like a long time from the last clip that you guys saw. The last clip is from October. I was freshly out of university officially at that point in time. I was a fresh graduate. That was the last time you guys saw me. Last time you guys saw me was in October when I was a fresh graduate. But ever since then, a lot of things have happened. Honestly speaking, the whole NYC. I went for NYC. I got back from NYC. There was Christmas. There was New Year. Everything was happening, and I honestly didn't vlog. Why? Because I mean, I already had NYC vlogs that I'll be putting out. Obviously, before you guys see this vlog, you guys would see the you guys would have seen the convocation prep vlog. You guys would have seen the convocation vlog, and you guys would have definitely seen all the NYC vlogs before seeing this one. I mean, this one was supposed to even go up before my NYC vlogs, but this one wasn't concluded yet. I didn't just want to put like a 5 minute vlog or something like that, so I had to chill till I had something to add to it, and I'm just now finally adding something to it. I should have deleted the previous clips and said, you know what, it's way back from 2022. I don't want to add something from 2023 in it, but I told myself that I don't want to delete any clip. Like, that's why I'm doing this, and that's why you guys are just seeing this vlog, despite the fact that the previous clips were from way back in October. But yeah, anyways, coming back, I decided that when I come back to this vlog, I'm going to show you guys some of the things I got before going for camp that I was supposed to have showed you guys, but because I wasn't really like in the mind space to vlog, I was like, you know, whenever I come back I would show you. Unfortunately, I don't have most of these things again. I think I'm going to start with the accessories first, and I got a few hair accessories because I wanted to do this accessory haul, but I didn't do it. Anyways, I got a claw clip, and claw clips have been trending since when late last year they decided to come back and make their presence known again. So they've been trending ever since last year. I actually even got two. I bought this one and a smaller one. It was like half of this size, but it broke. I also bought some hair packers, hair bonds, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I got another pack. You know those black hair packers that come in like a pack of 6? They're very stretchy and all. So I bought that one as well, but I can't place my hand to like start. You know how those things work. Once you release them out of the pack, they're everywhere. I also bought like another type that I don't know where it is. So that is that for accessories. So some other things. I mean, I bought, these are like clothes and stuff. I got this ones randomly. Like, yeah, those are the stuffs that I got. Anyway, this what do you call this thing? This jacket, I don't know what it's called, but it's a type of corporate outfits, like a corporate jacket or something like that. But I think I bought this even way before my convocation. I went to Balogun and I saw it and I was like, when I start work I could actually make use of this. And look at me, and you're going to start work next week. See me saying it so casually, but I officially start working next week, Tuesday, February 14th, Valentine's Day. That's when I'm starting work. But anyways, this is obviously, I'm going to be making use of this as I start work. I've overwhelmed the life of this dress. It's really minimal. It has this minimal vibe to it. This is a size small, sharp, but I know I wear a size 8, so this is probably like a size 10 because it's kind of like free on me. Very pretty, very nice. I like. Next thing I got with like the whole work mentality is this floral wrap top blouse, or whatever it is I'm going to call it, but it has this whole wrap thingy, and it's this floral stuff. Am I crazy about it? No, but why did I buy it? I saw it and I was like, you can never have too much blouses. I mean, I still have blouses and shirts that I'm going to be wearing like for work without for like months before I decide that, oh, I need to like shop for more blouses and tops. But I saw this and I was like, it's not too much to have. You can never have too many. Still going to be buying more work related outfits this week because I start work next week, like I said. But that is that about that. The next outfit is this mini dress. It's actually really mini. this is a material, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is all there is about this. Like, this is it. I actually got this from my vendor, because towards last year I went to my vendor's place to restock because I was having a sale. So I went to his place to restock, and he gave me this as a freebie. This is actually the second gift I'm getting from him. I had the whole turtleneck thingy, but I'm not a fan of turtleneck. So I took off the whole turtleneck thingy. I haven't had time to take this to a tailor for them to properly fold it in for me. But once they fold it proper, I can start wearing it proper. So yeah, I think I got this sometime last year, October, and it's definitely before I went to camp. So let's say October. That is all that there is about this. But anyways, yeah, so I think this vlog has some bits of length now to it. I don't know if I'm going to be ending it here, but in case I eventually end it here, at least we tried, and at least we did not just go on with deleting the previous clips. So yeah guys, that is that.